It's Chriso. How you doing? Woo! In this bar, I'm doing 2 bathrooms at the same time, and this it's a little old house that a young couple are doing up, and they've asked me to do the tiling. They've bought an Australian made tile, and Australians can't make tiles. Like they're a sort of semi square edge, pressed edge, ceramic, made in Australia, sizey as. I've got my work cut out here. There'll be a little bit of pushing and pulling and that sort of thing, but we'll get there and we'll make it look nice. That's the size of my shower. I'm about to cut these now, and I'll lay the shower, and then I can then lay my full tiles out the door. I'll be laying the shower first, and then going around here with a bead of silicone, because I have also asked the owner to put another coat. He waterproofed the whole thing, which is he, like I said in another video, he should have watched some of my videos on YouTube before he started this. Anyway, to my recommendations, he has done a top coat in the shower because I wasn't happy with the way he'd done the floor, and the floor's out of level, and the puddle flange is sticking up above the floor, so there's no way the water will drain away, especially on a wooden floor when it's slightly out of level. There's no way. It'll never get up over the puddle flange anyway. So there is no pre-slope. So I've got them to waterproof on top of the shower, which will retain it all. When I run a bead of silicone around there, that'll keep all the water in the shower. I've got pre-slope because I've sloped it, so we're laughing. But yes, he hasn't quite done things the way he should. He's sort of, but nah, not quite. Anyway, I'll cut these, I'll start gluing my shower down, and we're home and hose. Okay, see ya, bye. Subscribe to my channel. You will learn heaps, and you'll learn how to do a better job of waterproofing than this owner has done. Okay, we'll see you soon. Ciao.